Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Behance profile URL. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options that allow you to manage different aspects of your Behance account. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This is your main hub for controlling all your account preferences and configurations. Clicking on Settings will take you to a dedicated page where you can customize various elements of your profile and account details. Once you're on the Settings page, you'll notice a section labeled Account Information. This section contains all the essential details about your account, including your username, email address, and importantly, your Behance URL. This is where you can make fundamental changes to how your profile is identified and accessed on the platform. Within the Account Information section, locate the field that says Behance URL. This is the web address that people use to find your profile directly, and having a custom URL makes it easier for clients, collaborators, and potential employers to remember and access your portfolio. It's an important part of your professional branding on Behance. Next to your current Behance URL, you'll see an Edit button. Click on this button to unlock the field and enable editing mode. This action will allow you to modify your existing URL and replace it with something more personalized or professional that better represents your brand or name. Now you can input your new profile URL in the text field. Type the custom URL you want to use, making sure it's unique and represents you well. Keep in mind that once you choose a URL, it should be something you're comfortable using long-term, as frequent changes can make it harder for people to find you. After you've entered your desired URL, click the Apply button to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Behance profile URL to something that better suits your professional identity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.